So here's a little restoration project that Dad and I finished up. This is a Dake 5-ton arbor press, and it was a pretty big job to restore or fix because someone had taken it and cut it off right here and straight up and milled the thing flat, and they built this guy right here, a custom little table that they were using for some sort of custom application, and we wanted to turn it back into an arbor press. So what we did is we first sawed off these extended wings, then took some of this 5/8 inch angle iron, which I've made a bunch of stuff out of, and welded that on right here. And welded up a groove right there. And then took it over to the Royersford, and we needed to put a hole for where the ram comes down so you can push something out. And started with a 1/2 inch hole, went up to a 1 inch hole. Did a 2 inch hole in the Royersford. I know.
Fairly well, but not really well.
Making bigger than a 2 inch hole.
Which is okay.
Yeah. I may have been better just to use one of our bits and board it out, but yeah, clutch is slipping now. I got it really damn tight. And then took it over to the mill, boarded out to 3.5 inches. Cut it straight, milled it straight. Also welded in some little supports in there, and got it back to working. Just used an end mill to make this hole there. Oh, and Dad drilled a hole in the end of the ram to accept insertable tooling, and got the hand wheel on it and everything. It's a really nice press now. It's got a ridiculously long handle on it. It's like 5 feet long, but that's what you need to get that 5 tons of force, because non-compound arbor press. Just engage the ratchet, Paul, and it works pretty good. And you just reach back here, disengage it, and you can just roll it up. So this is going to be a handy tool for the shop for doing restorations on things, pressing bearings in and out and whatnot.